Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can convert your PDF documents that you receive as attachments in your Gmail accounts to CSV format using pdf.co. pdf.co is a platform that allows you to perform various PDF documents related tasks such as converting PDF documents to other formats, generating barcodes from your PDF documents and so on. With Zapier, you can integrate pdf.co with other applications to automate various workflows. One such workflow is converting the PDF documents that you receive as attachments in your Gmail account to CSV formats. So in this video, you will see how to do that. So let's begin. First, you have to click Create tab after logging in to your Zapier account. Here from the list of applications, you have to select Gmail. In the trigger event, you have to select New Email Matching Search and click Continue. Here you have to select your Gmail account. Click Continue. In the search string, you have to specify the string which basically filters emails from a specific sender, and those emails should contain attachments. This is the search string which you can use for this purpose. I have hidden the email address for the sake of security. You can enter any email address of your choice. Click Continue. Now you have to test your trigger to see if Zapier can access attachments in your Gmail account. So click Test Trigger and the trigger is successful. Click Continue. Since we want to convert the PDF documents to CSV format using pdf.co, you have to select pdf.co as an application from here. Here you have to select Choose Event. So in the action event, you have to select PDF to anything converter. Click Continue. Here you have to select your pdf.co account. Click Continue again. So in the output format, by default we have CSV. If CSV was not selected, you had to select it from this drop down list. So we have CSV already selected. We will leave it as it is. In the PDF URL, you have to select all attachments. And in the name, you have to write the name of your output CSV file. So I will simply write patient. And you can click Continue. You can see all the information that will be sent to pdf.co. Finally, you have to click Test and Continue. So you can see that your PDF document is converted to CSV format. So just for the sake of your reference, this is the original PDF document that is received as an attachment in our Gmail account, and this document is converted to CSV. You can see the converted CSV file by going to this link, and here you can open this document and you will see the information from your PDF document in the form of CSV format. So this is how you can convert a PDF document that you receive as an attachment in your Gmail account to CSV format using pdf.co. Thank you for watching this video.